We are going to do exercise number 73. Let's look into detail to the front view, to the left view, and to the top view. We place it again, and we are going to do tools, create 3D, and we choose the first projection angle, and as always we start choosing the front view, and afterwards it doesn't matter, either the top view or the left view, and we do a finish. And we are now in the part program. We move a bit like this, and we are going to do a protrusion, selecting from the sketch. We select this one and this one. It's a closed profile. We accept, and we go all the way until here. So it's done. We can do a zoom to better look at the object, and now we are going to do a cut on this surface using this profile and this profile, and we are going to cut up until here. This means that we did the floor, we did this wall, and we did this height wall. We accept and finish, and then we are going to cut this curved part on this wall. This means another cutout on this surface, and we are going to include this profile and this profile and this profile. Finish, and we are cutting out until here, and the wall is done. In this wall we need to cut this hole, so another cutout. We do the interior hole, which cuts the wall completely, and the other hole will cut only halfway, so we cut completely the interior hole, and the other hole is cut only halfway in this wall. So we do it halfway, and if we want to see better, we take it a bit here, and we come halfway. How do we know it's halfway? We come here and validate the distance, and this distance is 5 millimeters, which is half of the 10 millimeters of the thickness of the wall. So this is done, and now we are going to cut here the hole that goes up to here. So for that we say that we do a cut here with this profile and this one and this one and this one, another one, and we eliminate this part and this part and this part and this part, and we go up to here, because from here to here it will be curved. So it's done, finished, and then in this surface we do a cutout a revolved cutout of 180 degrees. This means this function in this surface, and we include this one and this one, but we need to close the profile here to the vertical in order to avoid that this profile is not closed and it would cut the object in that direction. So we put this finishing profile and we select the axis and do a finish, and then we cut to the inside for 180 degrees. How can we confirm that? We can here again and we have 180 degrees. So again we validate and we finish, and then we are going to cut this part. This means a cut on this surface using this profile and this profile and this profile and this profile, and eliminating this part. So finish, and we cut to the outside until the thickness of the base. So this part is done. Finish, and then to finish the object we need to do this hole, or this hole in this height wall. So what we do, we take it a bit here, and we hide these three planes, we hide them, and we need to do a revolved cutout on a plane parallel to this one. So we say that we need to do a revolved cutout on a parallel plane parallel to this one, and it has to pass on this vertical, on this axis. So we validate and we say again that we need to use this profile, this profile, this profile, this profile, and again, in order to avoid this one to cut to the outside, we do an horizontal complement to the profile. We select the axis and we finish, and we cut to the interior, and for 360 degrees. We validate with the left button and it's done. So if we want, we do a save. Zero 073, and we can show the left sketch showing all the components. We can show the top sketch showing all the components we did, and the front sketch with all the components, and showing this way we can validate that the object is complete.